Now you have some understanding of the type of graphs or charts you're expected to describe in Task 1 of the writing test. In this video, I'll talk about the question for this task. Task 1 questions always have the same parts. Here's an example. The first part of the question reminds you should spend about 20 minutes writing your response. And the last part here reminds you that you need to write at least 150 words. There are always two other paragraphs. The first one will give you a sentence about the visual or visuals that you're going to describe. Let's read this one. The charts below show total numbers of visitors to Australia as well as the tourist revenue received from 6 countries. So, this is an example of a question which has more than one visual. We'll come back to this question later in this unit. The next paragraph tells you what you have to do. It will contain one or more verbs. In this example, you are asked to summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. The verb summarize tells you that you don't need to write about all the data that you see. You need to select and report the main features only. You also have to make comparisons. In this case, between the number of visitors to Australia from 6 countries and how much money these visitors spent. So, now that I've shown you how to understand a Task 1 question, take some time to read over this summary. I should point out that this is one way to do this task, which we think is effective, but it's not the only way. After that, I'm sure you're ready to do some practice to help you remember these steps.